Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another live trading session. Today is Tuesday, June 14th. So you can see here we have a little bit of a move to the upside on the NAS and on the ES. A little bit of a gap up this morning, which is good for the markets. Looking at yesterday's price action, had a nice move down. This little chop area was very difficult to trade for me. Then we had to move to the downside and then popped up and then made the lower low. So this is actually a new low for the NAS and the ES. ES is in bear market territory. It get wholesale prices that came in 10.8% in May. It's a near record annual pace. We also have speculation that the Fed's going to be raising interest rates by 0.75 basis points instead of the 0.5, so that might be a little bit of a shock. Not sure though. Market could be selling the rumor and buying the news. We'll see what happens. Usually whenever an interest rate decision comes out, we see a huge buying period in the market, but that'll be tomorrow. Today we're just gonna see what the market's gonna try to do. Hopefully be more patient today than we were yesterday and trade somewhat light. We do have a movement to the downside here. We're breaking this uptrend on the minute chart. Still looks intact on the 30-minute though. Market's gonna open up here in a minute. We have some sort of a movement to the downside here. Nice recovery off the 21 SMA. Could be a retest of this uptrend. Don't really put too much weight on pre-market stuff just because there's not a ton of volume. As you can see here, we have up there. Let's extend this out. Yeah, belly area low. There. Markets have opened. Ended up an initial sell-off. Pump back up. Support and control from yesterday. See if that acts as resistance. Haven't quite hit it yet. Can try to be patient, watch and see what the market's trying to do. Buyers trying to come back in. It's a good buy up candle. Obviously sellers are still in control here. Making a lower low. Yes. Looking like the same. So we have this downtrend that we are expecting. Don't get in too hasty here. I want wait for the right move. Could come down a little bit more because we have a bit of a gap up this morning. Feel like these bottom wicks though, it's good buyers coming in. Right up to point of control, touched it, rejected. Nice pop above. Volatility on the VIX is down 1.91%. Still pretty high though at 33.37. It's like volatility on the NAS is high though. It's at 18.81%. You can see these giant wicks. Good indication of high volatility. All the way up here, rejecting down. Wow. Pretty significant there. Making lower lows. Lost the uptrend on the 30-minute. Downtrend formed. Got a minute 30 left on this 5-minute candle. I want to see what the next 5 minute looks like. We're placing trade here. Again, we could just be coming down to fill a gap. It's a pretty big range though. Pretty big 5-minute range so far. Good volume distribution down here. Pretty much indecision here so far. This 5-minute candle. Pretty darn close to where we opened. Like to see the ES and NAS be a little bit stronger than this if I'm looking for longs. Again, the ranges are so high. New 5-minute candle opening up right about now. Suit to the downside. More of a downwards trend forming. We got good buyers, but Delta's pretty heavy. ES did not make a lower low. NAS did. That's kind of interesting. Thinking maybe we're really close to lows there. Valley area low from yesterday. Breaking this downtrend. The middle one hasn't been reached yet. Good rejection. Possibly looking for a short here. Volatility is just so high. Buy ups here though. Control shift it down. This 5-minute candle isn't done forming yet. The only thing that's making me hesitant here. Somewhat of an uptrend here formed. I think if we're able to pop this, we'll come back up here, but using this uptrend. Yep, here we go. Yes, it's not making the lower low yet, but it's getting there. And pretty heavy. Roll those over after today. Yes, broke that low. Nasdaq continuing to move lower. Put value area lows right there. Waiting for it to pull back before I go short here. I think value area low from yesterday makes sense. Volatility is pretty high. Just hope we don't come up and take me out of this position. Almost there. Pretty heavy on the NAS. And refilled. Good 395 there. We'll see if we bounce off of value area low from yesterday. We continue to breach it. Looks like we're continuing downwards. Could have went short on this break of the uptrend that the bulls are trying to form here. Pretty strong clean break. Almost at the low from yesterday. See if we make a new low. Buy up here. Just don't know if this will hold. We look pretty heavy this morning. Seems to be the first green candle. We'll see if we continue to respect this downtrend. I could try to go short. Just don't know how good the risk to reward is right now. Yeah, it's back into valley area. Yeah, just testing the trend line. This candle's about to close out. Let's see what the next candle looks like. Control shift it down here. Bulls are trying here. Didn't make a new low yet from yesterday. Looks like this is an area that the bulls are trying to defend. ES came all the way back up, testing this 5-minute range. Two minutes left on this 5-minute candle. It's a good buy up here. We're losing the uptrend here. Just feels like the Nasdaq is really heavy today. Could we retest the downtrend? Bears coming through here. Just watch what Delta's doing. Good buy up on the ES. Sellers coming through. Possibly gonna go check out this low. Strong delta sells coming in. Wonder if we get a double bottom here. We lose this low. Break even. Don't like the buyers here. I think we might get a test up here. I was trying to come in. Happy I got out of that one. Nice little double bottom. Wonder if this will get ran. Back up to this area. Seem to be rejecting off of it so far. Technically, we broke the 5-minute downtrend. Can pop above here. Up above this area, I can see us filling this void here pretty quick. Buy ups and get out here at try to protect my position here. I think we go to the 9 SMA. Good area for me to get out, I'd say. Hope we get there. ES looks pretty strong. ES popping back up here. Looking a lot stronger than the NAS. That's for sure. Try to keep more on the table here. I can stop that, I guess stop that, it's fine. Nice 220 there. We have all winning trades so far. We have a 400, pretty much a scratch, but it still gave me like 50 bucks, 30 bucks. And we have this one that was 220. We break this uptrend. I was hoping for the test of the 9 SMA, but it doesn't look like we're going to get it. Be a pullback. Sellers poking through. This is the next 5-minute candle looks like. This could just be a secondary pullback. He is looking pretty strong though. And we would have made it to a profit target. That's okay though. But I have to take on some heat. Yes, rejecting VWAP. Rejection off the 9 SMA so far. Buyers look good though. Second leg pullback, resumption up. Could try to go long, but I feel like I definitely missed the move already. Right up to value area high. Nasdaq is definitely lagging here. Yes, it's almost back to the highs that it opened from. Yes, it's above the high. Nasdaq definitely lagging though. Outside of value. Don't want to be going long here. Good buy up. Pretty good buy up from the bulls. They defended this bottom here. Bit of rejection off VWAP. Wow. Didn't expect a full rotation upwards. Coming back up to point of control from yesterday. Nice double bottom, and we just popped from there. Happy I got out of this sell position. Did not expect this full rotation to the upside. This was a zero drawdown play here. Saw this low volume node, so they were going to run it if we happen to get through this high, and we did. Ran it up, and we continued upwards from there. Did not expect us to come all the way all back up here though. Still have this downtrend here on the 30-minute. Really big wick here. Delta's just not there though. It's the only thing about this rally. Delta's just not there. See if we lose this uptrend. We continue to go higher. Wow. This was a strong rejection, so not sure if we're going to clear this or not. What a move though. Can't deny that that's a pretty strong move. All the way down, all the way back up. Will we maintain this? I don't know. See what the TPO chart looks like. So we have a poor high here, somewhat forming. Breaking this uptrend. Wait for this 5-minute here. Break below VWAP. Seconds left on this 5-minute candle. See how this next 5-minute opens up. Step across down here, 9 and 21 SMA. Come back to point of control. Could get a bounce here at the 9 SMA, so something I'm particularly worried about. Watch this downtrend though. Breaking this downtrend's a definite get out for me. Got the sellers poking through a bit. Good rejection. The selling pressure looks pretty good. Buyers are still coming in though. out there. Downtrend's breaking. Secondary pullback, but I'm not sure. Not 100% sure what it's trying to do right now. It does look like we want to break this. Just have some buyers here though. Good rejection off VWAP. Being a lower low. I think I got one more trade left in me. See, neutral flipped up. Volatility's picking up once that happened. I feel like I want to wait for the retest here. Bit risky because we could come back all the way up here. Like the retest here. Wonder if we go to Valley area low. Just want to protect my position here. I kill it there. Good with that. Right near the tops here. And I wasn't 100% sure if we're going to get this Valley area low test. Looks like we're going to get it now, but saw 1,000 on the table and I'm like, oh, I'll just take that. So 5 trades, not bad at all. Pretty happy I killed this one. Did get Valley area low test. However, I wasn't banking on that here. We had a really bullish move up. Could be just a pullback. Assumption off of Valley area low makes sense. And as you can see here, we do have a double bottom that hasn't been tested yet. So it's like this double bottom might hold. Could have went short on the break of this uptrend, but I wasn't sure if we were just gonna have another pullback. This looked pretty strong as an uptrend, and then decided to go on the break. This, obviously this candle was pretty heavy, so we didn't get that automatic sell there. I guess the point of control shifting up was a good indicator that something was happening. We saw volatility pick up there too, and we just came right down. Really happy got out of that trade now. Left about $100 or so, 150, but we got out with profit. This was a $360 move, so pretty happy with that. I'm gonna call it there for today. 5 trades. Really happy with my trades. Pretty upset that this one, I didn't hold on to this one, but still added to the stockpile. We have a resumption down here from the 9 SMA test. It's not looking good. Again, we still have that cross down, so I was a little bit okay going short up here. We did have a hard rejection here, so it makes sense that we also retested this downtrend from the overnight or pre-market. Perfect rejection off of it. I wonder if we're gonna chop around and come back here to this value area low from yesterday. But you know, I'm happy with the 1,015 on the table. That's gonna be it for me, guys. If you guys are continuing to trade, hope you have a profitable day. Please manage your risk, and I will see you guys in the next one.